Alright guys, I thought I would show you a quick setup while my girls are playing over there. I had set up for my girls. This is, I know it's really bright in here guys. I'm going to try to, yeah, it's just really bright. But anyway, so this is brown Play-Doh that I made. And I got a few questions when I put this up on Instagram as to how I made it. Let me open it. I only have one hand. And the way that I made this is I used cacao. So if you're not familiar with cacao, this Play-Doh came out great. I can list the recipe down below. But cacao is what chocolate is derived from. And I use it for baking. But they use it in Mexico for ceremonial purposes. Yeah, it's awesome. So, like the Mayans back in the day used to use them for ceremonial purposes, and people still do that to this day. And there's also some health benefits to cacao, but I use it for a lot of different ways. And I made some Play-Doh that smells delicious.
Yummy.
Then over here, I know it's really bright. I just put out a bunch of random little things. Here's some flowers, some wood sticks, more Play-Doh, just random little pieces that I found. Home Depot. We have them in our drawer of chaos. And then screws and stuff, old jewelry. And then we have some of these that I found at a thrift store a long time ago. This is a cookie press. Some of these, ravioli cutter, some jewelry so they can make different designs, more jewelry. So it's just a very quick little setup. And then some rollers. Nothing too different out of the ordinary, and some flowers over there. I know it's really dark, bright on that side, but yeah. And then some cardboard so they can work. So,
what eyeball should Hoka have?
Whichever you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was very short again, but sometimes these are easier.
Yeah, and you can draw them out.